Hello, and thanks for watching. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to enable NFC devices in the Ecosia browser on your Android phone. Enabling NFC allows your browser to communicate with nearby devices, making your browsing experience smarter and more connected. Open the Ecosia browser on your Android mobile device. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Now, look for NFC devices in the list and tap it. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on NFC device access. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable NFC in Ecosia and improve how your browser interacts with NFC-enabled devices. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe